Welcome to International Unram Accounting Competition. Hi, I am Fazel and I will show you how to register to this international event. This competition is a prestigious event organized by Unram universities. This competition is conducted per team and is open to all students from the Faculty of Economics and Business, both nationally and internationally, with the only requirements that the team leader must be from the accounting major. For those all of you who wants to become participant and want to participate in this international event, here is how to register for International Unram Accounting Competition.
Before filling out the registration form, you need to prepare several documents for each team member. Required documents include student identity card or student card, self-photo, proof of uploading to Ibon, proof of following IUAC's Instagram, and proof of following IUAC's TikTok. All these documents must be uploaded in JPG or PNG format. After that, you can access the form on the website page iuacunram.com. Then, for registration, you can click the register section, then you will be directed to IUAC Registration 2026 Google Form section. The form is divided into 4 parts. In the first section is the team identity, which contains the team name, university origin, and country of origin. In the second section, regarding the biodata of the team leader, which contains the full name of the team leader, date of birth, gender, email, and WhatsApp number owned. And you can attach documents files that you have previously prepared for the team. In the third section, regarding the biodata of the first member, which contains the full name of the first member, date of birth, gender, email, and WhatsApp number owned. And you can attach the document file that you have previously prepared for the first member. In the fourth section, regarding the biodata of the second member, which contains the full name of the second member, date of birth, gender, email, and WhatsApp number owned. And you can attach the document file that you have previously prepared for the second member. Then, after filling in the 4 parts, click Send Form. It will appear writing your answer has been recorded. In addition, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your registration. The email will contain your submitted biodata, and you will also receive a WhatsApp group link provided for each team member. Congratulations! You have successfully joined and become part of the International Unram Accounting Competition 2026. And note, if you want to understand more about IUAC 2026, you can click the booklet section. A guidebook will appear in both Indonesian and English. Thank you.